guys and welcome to Infamous 5. हमारा आज का टॉपिक है नहीं, और मैं आपको बताती हूँ एग्जैक्टली हमने क्यों टॉपिक लिया है. आई थिंक पिछले कुछ 3-4 दिनों से हम ऑफिस में या जब भी इकट्ठे बैठते हैं तो हमारे बीच में ये टॉपिक ज़रूर निकलता है. एंड everyone has their stories and their opinions, so we thought we'll take this as a topic today and hopefully none of the bhoots are going to come bug us. But
don't say that.
Hiba?
Yeah.
Okay, your take on this topic. Are you scared?
Yeah.
मैं दोपहर से बोली जा रही है, please don't discuss this topic, वरना मुझे रात में नींद नहीं आएगी.
मैंने आज अकेले सोना है. My mom's not home. No, it's actually कि हमारे घर में महसूस होता है कि कोई चलता हुआ आता है, दरवाज़ा खुद बंद होता है, पंखा कभी और चल जाता है. इसके अलावा आवाज़ें भी आती हैं. वो तो नॉर्मल है जो आवाज़ें आती हैं. पर या like 40 years ago मेरे नाना बताते हैं कि he is very specially strong. तो ही सेड के वो कब्रिस्तान के पास से गुजर रहे थे एक दिन, काम पे जा रहे थे, सुबह फजर का वक्त था. वहाँ पे ही सॉ अ गाय who didn't have a head. Yeah, and he was just walking. तो my नाना just
हमारे स्पेशल साउंड इफेक्ट्स we're improving.
So yeah, मेरे नाना ने थोड़ा सा जाके उसके पास जाके देखा तो वो बस अपना चलते जा रहा था and he was just moving his hands. तो नाना ने उसको थोड़ा सा पंच वगैरह किया तो उसने कुछ किया नहीं, तो नाना अपनी तरफ चले गए, वो अपने रास्ते चला गया.
Good story.
What? She's
Why are you looking at me like that?
Also, by the way, just for your information. But
well, long time ago, my friends and I, you know,
No, you're not saying that it's my story. That's my story.
It was with me. You bad you with it. Anyway, so मैं उंगली रखी थी उसके ऊपर and basically, you know, you close your eyes and you say something and you expect spirits to come. I don't believe in it much and I always kind of justify it with like facts myself. लेकिन उस वक्त literally ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि हमने जो सवाल पूछा था तो जो कॉइन हिला था ना, जिस चीज़ पे शार्पनेस आई, कॉइन नहीं, जिस चीज़ पे वो हिला था, आई थिंक हमने किसी के ग्रैंडफादर के बारे में कुछ पूछा था और उसका जवाब सही आया था. एंड ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि सबका हाथ था, अगर सिर्फ कोई एक हिला रहा था तो हो सकता था.
वैसे बहुत अक्सर मैंने देखे हैं कि एक इंसान हिला रहा होता है, बट आपकी साइकोलॉजिकली यू नो कि वो खुद ब खुद हिल रहा है, तो यू नो यू फील
नहीं, बिकॉज़ दैट पर्सन swore on the Quran के ऐसा नहीं हुआ था कि मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया था, तो अब मैं किसी को झूठा नहीं बोल सकती when they swear on the Quran.
There's one girl, she was really scared of it, that she was not even part of it. She's like, I'm not going to be a part of it, I'm going to stand aside and everything. We were doing that board thing, that number thing, whatever Malia was doing as well.
Ouija board.
तो उस पे हमने वो रखा था glass instead of a coin.
Sharpener था.
So we all had our hands, we all had our hands on top of the glass. I was moving to yes, whatever the questions we were asking, yes, no, numbers, alphabet पे जा रहा था. फिर इसके बाद ये हुआ कि this girl, she just came in and I saw her eyes and they're all like red.
Are you sure it wasn't something else?
Her eyes were totally red. She came and she took the board where we had that written and everything. The glass broke. As soon as the glass broke, I looked at her eyes again. White हो गई. On that very spot. Not even like 2 seconds की बात है. White हो गई. So that it proves is that something was inside her and everything. But again, that's what I was trying to say.
But all these stories are true because
oh, what about you? We missed Aisha.
I haven't had any experience, but हाँ अक्सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि छत like I was at my cousin's house और छत पे भागा. Although there was no one, obviously it was like 4 o'clock in the morning and nobody could be running possibly on the.
अच्छा, किसी के साथ ये होता है कि जैसे कमरे में आप अकेले बैठे होंगे, लाइट वगैरह सब जली हुई होगी, पर आप एकदम से भागते हुए जाएंगे एक जगह और भागते हुए वापस आएंगे.
Everyone's sleeping at home and you just want to get water or something और आप किचन की तरफ जाते हैं.
And you feel like someone's behind you. I run into my room, lock my room, and I stay there.
And you just stay there for 2 minutes just to see कि whether कुछ हुआ तो नहीं है.
और ये होता है बाथरूम में आप होते हैं, हाथ धो रहे होते हैं, कुछ भी, तो अचानक से लाइट चली जाती है, बाथरूम की लाइट ऑफ, उसी वक्त दरवाजा खोल के बाहर भागते हैं. I'll tell you one thing that I get scared of. I'm sitting on my bed and the lights on and I want to go to sleep, so I'm gonna go switch the light off. और अंधेरे में मुझे लगता है कि बिस्तर के नीचे से किसी का हाथ आएगा, किसी का हाथ आएगा, कुछ करेगा, and I'm scared to look under the bed.
Especially अगर आप नई जगह जाते हो ना, वहाँ पे आपको
जो hollow bed होता है, I hate hollow beds. There is no solution.
take a baseball bat with you.
You think the
Hold the
scare?
hand down on your face.
You think the
Okay,
scare
no,
of baseball
okay,
bats?
after I watched-
when I wash
listen.
my face, when I wash my face, I'm in the washroom and I have soap on my face and I'm scared of having my eyes closed. I just want to wash it off quickly because I think something happened.
After I watch a scary movie, I can't sleep.
Yeah,
Seriously.
same here.
I always think there's a
No
lady.
matter how brave
There's a
you
lady.
are.
I always think there's like a dark lady, full black panawa, and she's looking at me at night.
एक
और
movie
फिर
I
आई
just
थी
look at her
Hey,
and like,
no! I met a
Chadar
friend
upar
of mine
डाल दो.
and he said, you know what's my biggest fear? I said, हाँ मुझे बताओ कहता है, I wake up and I look outside my window and I have someone looking back at me. And I was like, man. Did you understand what he said?
Yeah. You?
Imagine.
You're the witch?
I don't know.
You're scary.
Does he look into the mirror?
No, he's saying that's my biggest fear.
Someone looking
That
right back at
I
you.
open my curtains and look out the window and I
Oh.
see someone looking back at me.
I think ये सब horror stories का होता है.
That's
Impact
why
my
they
mind.
make you look
But
up.
when so like when you sit with your nannies or your daddies, you
कहानियाँ.
always hear all the jinn stories.
एक
how the
मूवी से
grandmother
काफी ऐसे
था.
पता है एक्सर्सिस्ट थी और एक when I was in first grade तो उस वक्त नई नई आई थी सनशाइन.
एक
ये Insidious or Omen.
something.
Exorcism of
Exorcism.
Emily Rose.
Yeah.
Exorcism of Emily
But the
Rose.
first one, no, the first one.
Based on a real event.
Yeah, that was
Thank
really
you,
scary.
Nida.
I hear
That's
things
Nida who's
based
updating
on-
us with all the story. Thanks, Nida.
You're very
But
welcome.
yeah, Sunshine Exorcist का तो दूसरा था ना, because I saw it later when I was 11 years old, but this was back when I was 7 years old.
Yeah,
तो
the first one.
Sunshine में उसके टब में एक सीन होता है, टब में एक हरे रंग की औरत बैठी हुई होती है with orange hair. I still cannot forget that face and I still can't
I
forget
was
वो
just
Exorcist
telling you
वाली
guys a while
औरत का.
back, we used to be in Islamabad. I used to be for some camp, and that hostel was like all around. It was all jungle, and I used to sleep in that empty long corridor. वो ना literally रात में वैसा लगता है वो horror movies में दिखाते हैं.
Yeah.
खुली सीधी corridor with no lights and
Cabin.
jungle से आवाजें आ रही होती थी because of wildlife there. तो you know उनकी आवाजें आती थी and it was so scary.
डर हम सबको लगता है, लेकिन how true, like how logical, मतलब किस उस पे कि फेयर होता क्यों है?
किस extent तक ये सही है? I think कुछ लोग वाकई में कुछ
But
सही cases
people-
होते हैं.
do
A lot of
people
people
believe
make
it?
Like
up.
to make the stories
People-
up.
They just like
Yeah.
because
'Cause
वो
it's
चाहते
fun.
हैं कि
But we
उनको
all have
fight around
experiences.
में
वो चाहते हैं
It's
वो
not-
चाहते हैं कि लोग हो कि हमने भी कुछ इस तरह
No,
का
everyone
experience
has-
किया हुआ है.
everyone has
do you
experiences.
remember when we
No,
went to the
everyone has
farm?
experiences.
We went to the farm and basically the two of us girls, we were like, you know,
That
we're very
is
brave,
mine.
we're very brave
Pitch
and
black.
everything. Yeah, so हम तो बस like we're very brave and everyone said कि यहाँ चीजें हो चुकी हैं, don't mess with it. But we are like नहीं हमें जाना है. हम गए, वो भी खुली जंगल टाइप whatever. हम गए उसके बाद हम बस चीख मार के वापस आए. हमने कुछ देखा तक नहीं था. It was just इतना
Pitch
अंधेरा
black.
that you can't see कि आप जा कहाँ रहे हो.
Oh.
उस डर से हम बस वापस आ गए थे.
You
बस
know,
हमने
हम
कहा
लोग
बस.
beach गए थे. We went to beach और ये रात की night spent. We were all with families, like friends with families. So
Beach की बात
4
ही नहीं
friends
करो.
of mine decided to take a late night walk, and that beach was like dark, pitch dark. अब हम जा रहे हैं ना. We were very far from our hut, and we had torch in our hand. हम जा रहे हैं suddenly ना हमें एक हट से एक अजीब सी आवाज़ें सुनाई दी ना, and we were so scared. हमने सब गलती से लाइट यूं घुमानी थी and we saw 4 dogs running towards us.
Oh, dear.
Oh my god. मैं तो
Often we associate
And
our
we
fear to
ran
darkness.
towards water. We ran towards water. कोई गिर रहा है, पड़ रहा है, but we just ran.
You shouldn't have
मैं
run.
तो
You
पागल
should
हो
have
जाता.
बस stand
I was
still.
just
मैं तो
standing.
वहीं
It
सो
was 3
जाता.
o'clock at night
Wake
on
up,
a
wake up,
dark
night
beach.
pressure.
We wouldn't be standing there. Yeah, please come kill us.
Yeah, but if you see a dog, you should
That
just
was
stand
just a-
still.
No, when you
Very
see a
innocent
dog,
response.
run,
You're
get
not
a rock
supposed
and
to.
throw it at
No, you're supposed
Okay,
to
so I
stand
guess we
still.
should wrap it up here. And if you guys have any stories that you want to share, आपके साथ ऐसा कोई experience हुआ है या आपके किसी जानने के बाद ऐसा experience हुआ और how was your reaction towards it, तो please आप comment कर सकते हैं.
बहुत मजे की
And
कहानियाँ सुनने
it
को
is,
मिली.
I mean, we want
Please
good
get your
stories.
feedback, man.
All right, and no criticism. Okay, good stories. All right, take care. Bye.
Bye.
Peace out.